Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, this is part 2 of the outdoor patio lounge DIY. You guys already went through it with me. I did the framing on it. I gave you guys some rough measurements, what I used to hold everything together. So now this is what I like to call wrapping it. I bought all nothing but cedar planks. They seem to hold up pretty good and they're not that expensive. You're gonna go through a lot of them. How many? You'll have to count them with me. So I didn't really count them. I probably went to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're probably going to go through probably about 25 of them, roughly, give or take. So now, before I really get started, I wish you guys could hit that like and subscribe button and that bell for notifications, because the more people I get, the more I can keep continuing this, and hopefully the better my build will become. So now I'm going to go through you and give you some of the rough measurements of what I did, and because I've already done all my cutting, so this way you're not sitting around watching all that boring stuff. I made it a little bit easier. So now I'm going to show you guys the wood notch tacked on. There's one piece that's on there because I had it was a little cupped, so I had to use the clamps to hold it down. So now I'm going to show you what I'm going to go through. So to do the top, I will bring you guys a little bit closer. Hopefully that'll help. Okay. I'm being lazy. I'm right there. These are the back ones. Those can go right there. Okay. Now these top ones. These are roughly 3 feet 10 inches and a half. So sometimes you might have to trim them if your measurements aren't perfect. If you give yourself a little bit of a leeway of like maybe 1/8 of an inch or something, you can move them around. It's not going to hurt them. Okay, one of these boards I did have to, cut it up the middle. I want to put the one that's the skinniest in the center, so this way it doesn't look too weird. But I can leave it like this and nail it down. So I'm going to do that really quick. You guys will see where I put all my supports on. And it's loaded with sawdust like usual. Probably including my hair. Tack them down. Make sure you got enough room right here. You're not overlapped too far. 6 in each one will stop them from moving around. They're going to move regardless with moisture, but this way kind of anchors them down a little bit more. Come on. Kind of get it in place. Get the sawdust off of it. Not going to be perfectly that way, so what I'll do is I will get this nailed down, because I know I'm going to have to move some of the other ones because this is not perfectly square. And it kind of helps to see where the boards are at. Make sure you're right up against this. And you can course I've run out of nails. But one thing you don't do is don't put your hand under here to feel how far your board is when you're nailing. Because if you miss, you will put it through your hand or your finger. You guys watched my other video. This thing right here puts out 120 psi every time you hit the trigger. So yes, it will go through your hand, like it's not even there. Okay, turn this around a little. Give you guys a more of a closer look of what I'm gonna do. Okay. These side ones are a little shorter. Okay? Because you know you gotta, don't cut up a whole bunch of them thinking they're all gonna be one length. They're always gonna be a little different. Nail it in there. Next one, I will let you guys know what I did for length before I get too far ahead. These side ones, 4 feet 2 inches and 3/16. I wound up cutting 5 of these, 2 for each side, and then I had to cut it down a little bit, as you can see, so it'll fit. It'll be a little tight, but nothing a rubber mallet can't fix. Alright, get this in there. Okay, this thing is not firing. What the heck is going on here? I think I know what it is, because sometimes the other ones do not like to fire through. Yeah, it did make it in the garbage can. I don't care. That's why this other one no biggie. I can follow the same holes. None of them did. And they moved it. Okay. Doesn't hurt if you didn't hit the same holes. I'm gonna go over these just in case. Okay. Cut this one, but now with these wider ones, since I didn't cut these up the middle, I still do 6 of them where I cut in a 2x4. I already know this one is probably going to be a little bit of a challenge getting in there. Or did I grab the skinnier one? I grabbed the skinnier one, which is fine with me. Making sure I'm not hanging off. This side in there. Let's see, right about here. Well, sometimes those nail holes are really small. So now, that is what you get for the sides. Yes, there will be another video. I will be doing the trim. So that'll be part 3. I'm going to split it up into 3 of them, so this way you guys can follow it step by step. And I don't have to edit it because I don't know how, because YouTube has not given me any tools because I am not monetized. That's why I need your guys' help to get my stuff monetized. That's why I need new subscribers and so forth. So now, the front of it. Move you around. Okay. With these, let me get my clamps out of the way. I cut up 5 of these. These ones right here. This size. It'll be the same for the back. I did 5 of them, so it'll be 2 for the front, 2 for the back, and then another one you're going to have to trim down. So, this is 1 foot, actually no, 19 inches. So 19 inches on that. Get this guy in there. Even though I don't have the other side on there yet. But you'll get the idea. Three of them in there. Yeah, if you don't put that gun in it just right, it'll misfire on you. I don't know if that's just a safety thing, but it's kind of a pain in my butt. Now, get these little straggler pieces off of there. Sometimes you don't want to grab and rip them. Sometimes it helps to go over the edges with a sandpaper. But I don't have patience for that right now. So, okay. This one, how wide did I cut it? Let me make sure it goes in there really good. I'm probably going to have to hammer that in there a little bit. I might have to trim it down. Yeah, I'm going to have to trim this guy down. No big deal. As long as I make sure I'm not using the wrong one. Yeah, I'll have to trim it down. The other one? No, this is a different piece. Or is it this guy? One's a little skinnier. Yeah. This is the one. I hope. I guess I'll find out. Yep, that's the one that goes in there. So, remeasuring this for you guys. 2 inches and 11/16. Roughly about 2 3/4 inches. My little rubber mallet. Lines up. And this one looks like it's a hair too long. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I don't want that, so I gotta trim this down. So give me a second here. Hopefully that'll be enough. There we go, that's better. Tack it in. 2 for each side. And you get it. So, there you have it for that. You do that the same on both sides. You do that for the front and the back. So, my next one, I'll show you guys how to do the very back part. And then the last video will be the trim. Let's get you over here. Alright. I just want to make sure this is secure. Okay. Now we have these ones. cut them out, line them up just for the heck of it, just to make sure you have enough. Another one there. Another one there. Turn it over because I don't like that spot right there. And your last piece. I mean, you're probably going to have to move them around a little. I'll start with the top one. Okay, these guys. Measurement wise, one foot, 5 inches, and 13/16. This little guy right here, 3 inches and 3/8. But like I said, I know this is not perfect. So I am going to start from the top. Okay, if you have a little bit of a lip right here, it's not going to look good. So you just take a little piece of board, put it up here like so, push your board into place, hold it there with 2 fingers. Put 3 of them in there. And the rest of them, you just get them into place. So you guys get the routine. You put that for there. You got 4 of them on this side, 4 on the other side. I took this one, I pretty much almost split it up the middle. That covers that. So this way you guys got the idea of what needs to be done. So till next time, please hit that like and subscribe button and that bell for notifications. Till then, I'll see you next time. Stay safe.